everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix low reach on Instagram and improve your visibility. If you've noticed your posts aren't getting as many views as they used to, follow these steps to boost your reach. The first thing to do is to check your Instagram Insights to see what's working and what's not. Go to your profile and tap the Insights button. From here, look at your reach, impressions, and engagement for your recent posts. Take note of the posts that have higher engagement and see if there is a pattern in the type of content or timing that worked best. One of the easiest ways to improve your reach is by using the right hashtags. Make sure you're using relevant and trending hashtags that align with your content. Avoid overusing generic or banned hashtags, as this can negatively impact your reach. You can use the hashtag research tool to find the best tags for your niche. Aim for a mix of popular and less competitive hashtags. Next, focus on Reels and video content. Instagram is prioritizing video content, especially Reels. So to increase your reach, try to post more Reels. Reels are more likely to appear on the Explore page and reach a wider audience than regular posts. Make sure to use trending audio and engaging visuals to make your Reels stand out. Adding relevant captions and tags to your Reels will also increase the chance of reaching more people. Step 4. Post at optimal times. Timing is key when it comes to maximizing your reach. Use your insights to find out when your audience is most active and try to post during those times. Consistency is also important. Posting regularly helps keep your audience engaged and signals to Instagram's algorithm that you are active, which can improve your reach. And finally, consider running ads. If you are still struggling to get reach, you can run a paid promotion. Go to the posts you want to promote and tap Boost Posts. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix low reach on Instagram. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!